I'm gonna try to maybe get down here, see what I can do. Might be a little dangerous doing this though, because you don't know if there's gonna be any more trees coming down. Yeah, let's look at it in here. That's something else. Heartbreaking. It's very comparable to like a death of a loved one to me, because I mean I truly love this park and it's definitely not going to be the same now. I'm glad I got so many years, almost a whole decade of appreciating its beauty, because from this day forward it is absolutely better not walk underneath that tree behind me. It's absolutely changed. Just devastation upon devastation in here. Try to go up this hill and get around it a bit, but might have to turn back around. Let's take a look down the gorge. Oh man. Wow, I'm surprised that little red roof structure there is still standing. See if those stairs are still walkable. I don't know if they're structurally sound or not. Looks like they might be doable. Some people down here in the park. I think I'm the only one crazy enough to come in from this direction. Holy. I'll have to see if the bridge is still open down here, if I can cross it. If not, I have to turn back around. I really hope I don't have to do that, because I mean, if the footage of what I just went through makes it into this little video I'm going to produce, you'll see why I don't want to backtrack. Well, the falls are definitely flowing. That's the only really nice thing, I guess, out of this whole situation. Let's go check out Waddle Falls, I guess. The storm hasn't really impacted the waterfalls too much, thankfully. I mean, the water flow is crazy, but the surrounding trees, they're all still holding up, thank God. Still got butterflies out though, it's a good sign. If there's any good signs in here, a butterfly flying around is it. Wow. Just absolute chaos.